So let's talk about what happens if you're involved in an accident with an Uber driver. There's a difference between Uber Eats and there's a difference between Uber that is a passenger vehicle. The Uber Eats doesn't really require the same insurance policy that the Uber passenger vehicle would require. Also, if you're in an Uber that is just a regular Uber versus Uber Black, an SUV, they're going to, or you're hit by an Uber Black versus an Uber, regular vehicle, there's going to be different policy limits that are occurring there. Because many of the Uber drivers are commercial limousine drivers. They have to be on the clock though. Uber knows whether or not they're engaged in the app. If they're just driving to go pick somebody up, but they haven't engaged the app, then it's not going to be an Uber case. So that's very significant. You want to find that out. Now let's say that if you're in an Uber, it's not the Uber driver's fault, and you get struck, you're going to go to the person that struck you first. That's going to be their policy. Then you can look for uninsured motorist coverage. And Uber Black typically has a larger uninsured motorist coverage policy. The other Uber, regular Uber, doesn't. So I encourage my wife and myself, we want to use Uber Black just for insurance purposes. But your insurance can apply as well. So Uber it's a different animal. And we've all had to learn as personal injury attorneys the way in which we have to strategize. Because it's just totally, when it first came out, it was so novel, nobody understood which way to go with it. And now we've taken strategies and tactics to understand how to get the best compensation.